everyone, this is Lucy. 大家好，我是 Lucy. Today we are going to learn how to say I am British in Chinese Mandarin. In the end of the lesson, you'll be able to answer the question, where are you from? And what is your nationality? Please be sure to click like, subscribe my channel for the future lessons. Okay, let's just get started. Let's have a look how to say I'm British in Chinese Mandarin. 我是英国人。我 last time we explained means I or me. 是 is to be. Try say it with me. 是 one more time. 是 very good. Let's move on to the next new words. 英国人. Don't be intimidated by the character of Chinese looking. Once we break up, it will be super easy to remember. 英 literally means hero. 国 means country. What about next one? 人. 人 means person or people. Can you guess what's the meaning of 英国人? Correct, you got it. Well done. So say it with me. 英国人. 英国人. One more time. 英国人. So I'm British will be 我是英国人 in Chinese Mandarin. 我是英国人. Let's practice together. 我是英国人. 我是英国人. Oh, sorry, it's your turn. 我是英国人. One more time. 我是英国人. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what's your nationality by comment below. Don't worry if you are not British. Next time we'll learn how to say your country's name. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.